about sales. Who all in the room say that they are good in sales? A raise of hand. Yes, I am good in sales. All of us are owners or representing our company at the highest. Yeah, anyone?
Yeah.
All right. My second question, raise your other hand and say if you are good in closing. Who all are good in closing? The difference in sales and closing is sales is little pushy. Effort करना पड़ता है, पता चलता है. And closing is something which is उसमें कुछ effort नहीं करना पड़ता, it is automatic. So I talk about 3 strategies as simple as that. The first one is that first is value in advance. We need to add value in advance. Any client, any prospect who is coming to you, उसके अंदर इतनी वैल्यू पहले से ही ऐड कर देनी चाहिए by seeing your video, by hearing about you from your client, by reading out something about you, about your brochure or anything that he or she is already converted. He has already bought you because people buy you first and then your services. वो पहले से close हो चुका है. So adding value in advance, so we need to think कि हम कैसे add करें for our businesses because it varies. The second strategy, be clear goals. ये 3 चीजें clearly नहीं करनी. The first one is that we say, sir, in a conversation we say, sir, I will be very frank with you. And truly speaking, जब हम ये word बोलते हैं ना, इतनी देर से जो बात कर रहा है, it means that was a lie. We don't have to say, sir, frankly speaking, rightly, truly speaking. That's not the right statement. The second clear no is, if I say, sir, would you like to buy this? Just imagine this is a some gold bottle जिसके अंदर पानी है. Sir, would you like to buy this? See, पहला reaction क्या था? No. ये buy एक ऐसा trigger है, साथ ही trigger होता है no. नहीं खरीदना. No one likes to buy. उसके अंदर you say, sir, would you like to own this? If there's a Mercedes, sir, would you like to drive this home? If there's a Gen Z, sir, would you like to have this at your place? Would you like to invest in this? Instead of buy, we have to use all other terms to be acceptable. Would you like to move forward with this? To move forward में क्या हुआ? सबको आगे जाना है. That's the another thing which should be done. And the third clear no is what could be? क्या हो सकता है third no? जो हम बड़ी regularly use करते हैं.
I want to ask you to close the input. Yes or no?
All right, thank you. उसमें क्या होता है कि क्लाइंट से बोलता है सर वो तो हमें इतने का दे रहे हैं and then your is sir we are better than them this either we are overconfident or we are underconfident. There is no thin line, middle line नहीं होती इसमें, right? You don't have to compare. उनकी पूरी बात सुन लो, let it come and then just ask one question, sir then what is stopping you to do business with them? Zip बंद हो जाएंगे, मुंह बंद हो जाएगा. If they are discussing with you, it means the door is still open. There is an opportunity. कुछ ना कुछ खटक रहा है. That is why they are coming. You don't have to tell that my experience है. इतने करे हमने कहा. Don't have to do that. That will sabotage our self only. And the third strategy. Are we good till now? Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. The third strategy is one big statement which everyone hears. क्या हो सकता है? A guess from the alpha team. Anyone? जब भी कोई डील क्लोज कर रहे होते हैं, एनीथिंग वी आर डूइंग या कुछ फॉलो ले रहे हो कुछ कर रहे हो, एक स्टेटमेंट होती है वेरी कॉमन. एनीथिंग एनीवन फ्रॉम बीटा दिस साइड?
Price.
ऑलराइट. उससे पहले एक चीज होती है प्राइस पे तब आते हैं जब इंटरेस्ट बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ चुका है क्लोज करने वाले.
What are the services that are you going to
वो
provide?
डिस्कशन हो गई है. आई वुड से हाँ बताते हैं. So doing the follow up again and again या तो फॉर विल बी वन या सेकंड स्टेटमेंट विल बी I'm thinking about it. I'll get back to you.
Yes.
Just give me a smile if everyone hears that. ये किसी ने किसी ने सुनी है. Yes. So how to deal with that? You want to know that? Yes or a yes?
Yes.
All right. So उसका सबसे पहला there are 2 ways to do that. The first is या तो पूछो सर what could be one thing that we could do business together? क्या ऐसी चीज है? You will say अरे यार I want this information. मुझे I want to discuss with someone. कुछ ना कुछ बोलेगा. You have that objection in hand. Sir, what could be, and just repeating that we can do business together. सीधा. वो बोलेगा, work on that objection, clear it out, done. If not this, Ramban, to clear this, thing, and that is, sir, I'll just do a role play. Sir, we were discussing, so would you like to close this? अब कैसे इसको लेके आगे जा रहे हैं? मैं सर आपको बताता हूँ. I'll get back to you. मैं अपने आप ही आपसे बात करता हूँ. And you know what the right reply should be? It should be, sir, I've been doing business for last 10 years. जब मैं ये statement सुनता हूँ, I never hear that. Because आप बोल रहे हैं. I did not hear that from you. Sir, if there is any money, time, value, quantity, whatever the business is according to that, उसके 3 constraints उठाइए. If anything is bothering you, tell me, I'll fix it. तो reply होगा, the price is little high. Your answer should be already ready. कि यही 2-3 objections होते हैं. And your answer should be, what if I give you, an installments option with you? What if I reduce the front installment, the front up payment which you have to do? If I reduce that, what if I lower down the price according to your budget and scope of work? Would you like to do the business with me now? Yes. So last to last उसका आएगा, if he or she is a genuine prospect, वो बोलेगा कि हम सोच सकते हैं, या बोलेगा okay yes I am coming to your place and I'm meeting and I'll go. That's it. That's the sales closing formula I have.